Hi, Syke from Groovy Entertainment. Today we got another book to read for you. Today's book is Big Dog, Little Dog for 1973. So let's get started. Fred and Ted was friends. Fred was big, Ted was little. Fred always had money, Ted was always broke. When they walked in the rain, Fred got wet, Ted stayed dry. They both liked music. Fred played the flute, Ted played the tuba. When they had dinner, Fred ate the spinach and Ted ate the beets. When they painted the house, Ted used red paint, Fred used green. One day, Fred and Ted took a trip. Fred went in his green car, Ted went in his red car. Fred drove his car slowly, Ted drove his car fast. When they got to the mountain, Ted skied all day long. Fred skated all day long. By night time, both of them was very tired. Look, said Fred, a small hotel. Fred got an upstairs room. Fred got a room upstairs. Ted got a room downstairs. Good night, Ted. Good night, Ted. Sleep well, said Fred. Good night, Fred. Sleep well, said Ted. But they did not sleep well. Upstairs, Fred thumped and bumped and tossed and turned. Downstairs, Ted moaned and groaned and crashed and shushed all over the bed. When morning came, Fred called on the phone. Let's take a walk, Fred said to Ted. A good idea, said Ted to Fred. We can walk and talk. They walked uphill. They walked downhill. They made tall talks. They made small talks. Did you get any sleep last night, Ted? Not a wink, Fred. My bed is too little. My bed is too big. What can we do about it, Ted? I don't know, Fred. I know what to do, said the bird. There's this room. Ted should sleep upstairs and Fred should sleep downstairs. Of course. The bird got the word. Back to bed, yelled Ted. Back to bed, yelled Fred. It's downstairs for me, yelled Fred. It's upstairs for me, yelled Ted. Ted jumped into the little bed upstairs. Fred jumped into the big bed downstairs. Ted slept all day long in the cozy little bed. Fred slept all day long in the cozy big bed. Well, that was easy to fix. Big dog needs big bed, little dog needs little bed. Why make big problems out of little problems? So that was Big Dog, Little Dog from 1973. So if you like, subscribe, share, and comment. Have a good every day with another video coming out real soon.